Ford is making a major shift in its business strategy, and Kentucky is at the center of it with significant job implications. The automaker announced today it will repurpose its massive battery manufacturing plant in Glendale. The Herald Leader reporting roughly 1,600 people working at Blue Oval SK will be laid off. Ford says because of less than expected demand for electric vehicles, the plant will instead produce batteries for data centers, utilities, and large industrial customers. Those laid off can apply for jobs for the new Ford subsidiary that will solely own and operate the Kentucky plant. The subsidiary is expected to hire more than 2,100 employees.